Guess who's back? Hibernation season is over and the Kahuna is back in action. Today we are going to the Icon Festival, which is like literally right around the corner. Got a lot of flack from the missus for taking my car where I could have walked, but yeah, I have not been out in a while. I have been very busy with work mostly and family, so now this marks the return. So let's go see what's happening at Icon today. I've scheduled to play some Dungeons and Dragons for the first time ever. I've never played before, so I'm really excited to give a go at that. And yeah, I'm gonna go check out some card stores, see if I see some faces I know, and hopefully meet some faces I don't, and just have a good time. So yeah, I'm taking you guys along for the ride. Let's see what we find. And yeah, some retail therapy is required as well, so I'll check you there. Heading into the hall, I was overwhelmed by stores. Loads and loads of stores. We had jewelry, we had crafting, we had laser cutting, we had models, TCGs, anime, board games. Man, I had to start watching my bank card really carefully. There was a plethora of different people, from cosplayers to full families, husbands and wives, young and old, and it had such an amazing vibe going for it. Over in the TCG hall, we had Foxhole doing some tattooing as well as a bunch of TCG shenanigans. Spot our local pigeon in the corner there. And we had Graded, Joker's House, SATC Gaming, and a bunch of card game demos going on. Loads of people trading. The TCG vibes were definitely buzzing on the day. There was a Catan tournament going on as well, but unfortunately I could not attend it as much as I wanted to because I had signed myself up for what I wanted to go do, and that was play my first ever Dungeons and Dragons game. What an amazing experience, trying out a one shot for the first time, and I really felt myself comfortable wanting to play more. Headed straight over to the resin anvil afterwards to grab myself some miniatures. You can see my selection of miniatures over here. And some really high quality stuff. If you're looking to bolster your D&D experience, I would definitely go give them a look up. They had a cool promo going on where you could roll a D20 for a discount, and as you can see on camera, I managed to roll myself a 20, so I got a nice discount, and big thanks to the guys over at the Resin Anvil. Straight afterwards, I went to the Mensa General Knowledge Quiz Challenge. This was pop culture meets tech, and I find myself to be a little bit of a general knowledge guru, so I thought I would give my hand, and as you can see, I look pretty locked in. Little did I know it was from very recent things, and I found myself ending the first round in second last place, but over the 3 rounds managed to claw back into 14th place out of 31, and yeah, not too shabby, and a load of fun. We had some local board game creations floating around. Meet, Steal and Plunder over here. What an amazing concept and quite a chaotic game. I definitely grabbed myself a box to take home as well. Another local creation was Who's Who. This is 30 seconds meets charades meets Pictionary. It's a load of fun. I bought one of these for the family as well, and I can't wait to crack it open on our next family board game day. Ending the day off, the folks at Level Up Store pulled me over for a run through of Libertalia, and what an amazing board game it is. Awesome mechanics, skill level around Catan level, and had an amazing time. I've already added one in my Level Up cart, and I'll be grabbing a copy. Overall, an amazing day. I really loved the whole experience. The organizers did an amazing job, and I felt so comfortable being back with some old faces, meeting some new people along the way, and just happy to be engulfed in what is my culture, my nerd culture, and I can't wait to make more content like this. Catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.